is so calm and he is so patient. और अगर आप उनसे मिले हैं, if you've had the good fortune of having met him, you know, he has this smile. ये जो मेरे monk बैठे हैं ना ऊपर, कुछ वैसी ही. He doesn't even need to give you an answer, talk to you, no hello, nothing. He just has to smile. That's it. That's a greeting. That's a acknowledgement. That's an answer. That's like everything. And I'll also tell you one more thing, which I already told him, that when you're in his company, okay, like I said, if you've ever had the good fortune of meeting him and if you're in his company, you forget everything. वो आपसे पूछेंगे, प्रिया आपका नाम क्या है, and I'll say, कहाँ से आई हैं, कौन है आप, कुछ याद नहीं है. और ऐसा मुझे लगा मेरे साथ ही होता है. But everybody, like if you go around him ना, तो आप किसी से पूछे ना कौन है आप, उसको कोई परवाह नहीं है मैं कौन हूँ, मैं कौन हूँ, क्यों आया हूँ. Nobody wants to leave his company. They can sit there for days without food, without water, without blinking. He has that effect. ऐसा उनका जो effect music का है, like we say his songs transport us into another world. When you meet him, he does that to you, transport you into the other world. When we meet, and very rarely, I wish, I will request Sonu, we have to meet more often. When we meet, sometimes हमारी बात ही नहीं होती है. Like I'll say, Sonu, it's been so long we've not met, and he's very busy, like very, very busy. You cannot imagine. I don't know how he's making these vlogs and all. He's so busy. So he'll say, अच्छा ठीक है, आप मेरे recording में आ जाओ. Okay, now you're going to the recording, you can't talk. Okay, so I'm there in his company. We never had a conversation, and yet I'm inspired, and yet I have learned so much. And he does that. In every single meeting, just meeting him is enough. Just having him sitting somewhere is enough. He's God's special child, and I'm so blessed that he is also my friend. And I'm so grateful he's launching my book again. Welcome, Sonu Nigam.
Finally,
Welcome.
finally. Thank you very much. Such nice words. आपने मेरी तारीफ में कुछ इतना ही ज्यादा कह दिया कि मैं खुद I was transported to another world.
No. It's like when I wrote my first book, I Am Another You, और आपने मुझसे कहा था, I will always launch your book. I don't think you.
वो हमारे भाग्य में एक दूसरे के लिए ये, चाहे हम कहीं मिले ना मिले, हम आई थिंक हमको मिले हुए 1 साल से ऊपर हो गया मेरे ख्याल से. वी हैवंट मेट ईच अदर फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. और इस माध्यम से हम वी ऑलवेज मीट. योर बुक्स, the launching of your books, and the kind of, I still wonder, why do you credit me? I don't know why you, it is your own greatness that you give me so much of respect. Why it is such a humbling feeling, and not from now. You've been doing it from such a long time. I thank my stars. I I thank the universe for this place in your. You are a creative genius, and uh, in your creation I have a small spot, and that too right in the beginning of your book. So I'm so touched. मैं तो कुछ भी कर दूं आपके लिए, वो कम होगा. It'll be less. जो आपने मुझे प्यार और इज्जत दी है.
Not at all. What you have done is, like, you'll never know from the beginning that I met you. That you replied to a letter I wrote. Who does that? मैंने कितनी चिट्ठियां लिखी हैं आप जानते नहीं हैं. I have written letters sometimes even to God, and sometimes I've never got a reply from there also. But you replied, and that was like amazing, and it's been ever since. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि एक बार किया. You have been consistent in your support. I just have to say the words, and how will I ever forget? If you were not there in the beginning of my career, I wouldn't have reached here. That's a fact. I wouldn't have made it so far. I would have made it somewhere, but not so far.
आप मुझे इतना ज़्यादा क्रेडिट देती हैं, but what do I say? I think it is your own belief. It is your own, and I know you so well. You are one of the angels sent on this earth by the Almighty, by the universe. बहुत कम हैं इस दुनिया में आप जैसे लोग. And God has given you the task to spread positivity, goodness in the world. God also thankfully gave you the art of writing and translating your feelings and your experience and your work, your uh, emotions and translating them into words. वो भी तो बहुत कम लोगों के बस की बात है. So I'm very proud of you, and I'm very thankful that people like you. There are all kinds of people. There are all kinds of artists. There are all kinds of writers, and all of them have their own faculties. Open किसी में aggression होता है, किसी में even music में भी ऐसा होता है. So there's some people who dwell on a lot of aggression. There's some people who are very simple and very calm and quiet, and some people are very creative. Some people are maverick in terms of the art part and the sargam and the taan and the alaps and everything. And in music, I'm sure in writing also there are people who are grammatical wizards. There are people who work on emotions. There are people who are very imaginative, create beautiful stories. God gave you this thing of spreading goodness, positivity through your books. Or I'm glad I got the summary of your manhunt. Manhunt? What is manhunt? I don't think you ever hunted a man. So what is a manhunt?
No, I know.
Your book, Manhunt.
I tell you, it's the biggest joke ever. तो ये मैंने ना टाइटल पहले कोई नहीं बोलता सी, यही बात है, पहले कोई बताता नहीं है, और फिर जब रिलीज के टाइम पे आती है ना, जब सब टाइटल रजिस्टर हो जाता है, तब जोक्स बनते हैं. सो
अभी सब जोक्स मार रहे होंगे आपको, यही जोक ना जो मैंने मारा है.
या अरे
निशा भी यही बोल रही थी ना शायद.
Yes, but surprisingly, Manhunt is a book like all my stories. No, I think of the story and I write. That's the privilege of being an author. But this story, Tarun Katyal, who's our common friend, he's the CEO of Z5, and he told me that why don't you write a book? I say casually in a conversation, why don't you write a book on the environment, genetic modification, on spirituality, basically irresponsibility toward the planet. So I said, okay, अब okay बोल दिया मैंने, अब लिख दी. So it's about that the wild, we fear the wild, but actually man is the most powerful animal on the planet, and he is the one on hunt. There is nobody here hunting us. Every species of its kind, they don't really hunt each other. लेकिन हम ही एक दूसरे के पीछे पड़े हुए हैं, छोड़ नहीं रहा कोई किसी को, आगे नहीं बढ़ने दे रहा. So that's manhunt.
ऐप्ट है आज के जमाने में. बहुत ऐप्ट है.
Yes, before I start, I have to read the dedication. I don't have the opportunity to give you right now. I always come and give you my book, and get your blessings and get your father's blessings. So, अब देखो ऐसे online करना पड़ रहा है. I'm not even dressed up. There's always a 1 month thing on buying that dress and, all of that. I'm wearing, I think, the same t-shirt I wore yesterday.
All of us are.
So I want to read the dedication. इसके लिए मैंने चश्मा लगाया हुआ था. So it says, to Sonu Nigam, when you launched my first book in 2009, I don't think either of us knew my journey as an author would bring me so far. Your undying support for my work has instilled in me greater responsibility to do better. Because you see, when I put your name on a book, no Sonu, I have to do justice to that book. So your name, your presence brings a lot of responsibility. I keep your dedication, talent, and beingness as a yardstick for my success. As you grow, so do my milestones. You are an inspiration. Thank you for being a great example of a wonderful human being and a legendary artist. That is my dedication to you.
मैं क्या बोलूं आपको? Thank you very much. You have been... Actually, हो सकता है कि आपके बार बार बोलने से ही मुझे अपने आप में कुछ मुझे भी responsible महसूस हुआ हो. So thank you very much. Indirectly, even you're responsible for what I am today. So thank you very much.
Oh, you made my day. Thank you.